guys, welcome to today's video. It's been a while since I've had a video. Hurt my back really bad. Haven't been able to do much. Right now I am working on my power steering leak. So my last project, or the latest project that I left off on, was a DeWitt's radiator install and a rack and pinion rebuild. So let's look really quick. I know you can't really see, but the DeWitt's radiator is in the car. I do not have any problems with it. The rack and pinion rebuild did not go exactly as planned. I will talk about that in another video. But in a nutshell, the 86 and 87, which this is an 87, the all aluminum housing poses a different set of problems with the seals. So I opted to not even mess with it, and I just upgraded to a GM rebuilt Z51 rack and pinion system. So that's all in the car. The rack and pinion does not leak, it works fine. The radiator system, the coolant system, none of that leaks, it works fine. I ended up still having a leak with power steering fluid. It's coming right out of this lower nipple here where the hose was. So I replaced the hose. The hose was really bad. It was probably the original hose. It did not look like it was in good shape. It was very porous. It was very soft, very deteriorated. So I bought a new hose, thinking, well, it's leaking out of the nipple, the hose isn't in good shape, it's got to be the hose. Well, it wasn't the hose. I still had a leak. So then I Googled it, and sure enough, these bottles, again, very specific, the 86 and 87, maybe 85 falls into this too, they crack on the very bottom. So my fix was, I use a JB Weld epoxy. I chose the marine epoxy very specifically because it very specifically mentioned that it would resist chemicals. Now, all the JB Weld products probably do, but this one went as far as putting it right on the package in bold letters, so I went with that one. Plus, it cured in a darker color, not a white or a cream or something clear. So I put that on, I sanded it, and then I just sprayed, well actually I sprayed stop leak rubber coating on it, but I didn't put it on to stop the leaks, I just did it to rubberize everything. So we're gonna put this back in the car, and hopefully it solves my leaking problem. Alright, yeah, sorry guys, I haven't had much content lately. Projects, things weren't going quite as planned. Then I hurt my back really bad. My back is hurting right now, but I'm hoping I should be able to at least lean over enough to install this reservoir. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.